going to look at how we can use the Casio calculator to calculate with time. So the first thing we need to do is go into calculate, and then we're going to use these little buttons above the plus sign. So we're going to have to use the shift button. So we're going to type in 2, use the shift button, and that's our 2 hours, and then 24, and then we're going to use the time button again, and that's 2 hours and 24 minutes. So we're going to click execute. So we've got that in there, and this 0 that's just been added is for the seconds. So we've got 2 hours and 24 minutes. Then we're going to use our format button and convert this into a decimal to calculate into a decimal for time. So 2 hours and 24 minutes as a decimal we can write as 2.4. Now the next calculation we're going to do is to convert this the other way around. So we're going to type in 3.4 and press execute. And then with this, we're going to press shift and then our time button in here and then execute. And then this will convert this into hours and minutes. So we've got 3 hours and 24 minutes. Then the last thing we're going to look at is how to actually calculate with time. So here we've got a helicopter flies 240 miles in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Calculate the average speed. So if we're calculating speed, we're going to cover up speed, which means we've got distance divided by time. So we're going to have to do 240 divided by 2 hours and 30 minutes. So on our calculator, we're going to type this in using our hours and minutes button. So we've got 240, and we're going to do 240, and we're going to divide that by 2 hours and 30 minutes using our time button. And then we're going to press execute, and that's going to give us 96, and that's 96 miles per hour.